Hello guys, this is a tutorial created for Seesaw. Seesaw is a great online communication tool for teachers to create an online community to involve students, parents, and teachers themselves. So first we need to sign up as a Seesaw user. So we just go to your browser, open a new tab, and search in Google, S-E-E-S-A-W, Seesaw. And we would use the first link. Then we click the center blue button saying Sign up free. Continue to press I'm a teacher in the next window. Type in your first name, last name, email address, and password. And click Create Teacher Account. Now you should see a Seesaw Tour Guide window popped out. Please view the introductions to get a basic idea of what Seesaw is and what functions it has. So just click Next to view this tutorial. After you're viewing the guide, you should see a new window asking you how you want students to sign in to your class with two options. Like this, one is use a class code and the other is use an email address or Google account. The class code choice is more suitable for younger kids since students won't need to have their own accounts and passwords, but only need to scan the QR code and tag their names when uploading items. Using email address or Google accounts to sign in is more difficult and thus is more appropriate for elder kids. They will need the digital code created by the teacher to sign in and upload their items. You can always create a new class which is signed in through a different way within the same teacher account. The two ways of classes are all going to be introduced in this tutorial video, and the first one is going to be use a class code. So we need to insert the class name and specify the grade level. I'll just type in test class 2016, and grade level I will choose like grade 5. And then you should type in each student's name in your class. Like I'll just type in some students' names. Like this. Seesaw will assign a thumbnail for each of them automatically, or you can just click Paste List of Students' Names to add your students at one time. Click here. After that, please hit the checkmark button on the top right corner. You should receive a new email with two attachments from Seesaw now. So let's check my email. Okay, I got a new email from Seesaw. And I can see my... Okay, the second email is the right one, this one, Seesaw class created. And I have two attachments. So this attachment is the class code which you can print it out and post it somewhere in your classroom. And the other is a tutorial video letting you know how students can log into your class. Okay, now we need to go back to our Seesaw page and click. So now this interface is the teacher view, and you can try to press your thumbnail here and get into the class management. You should be clear with the functions of these different choices. The first one, add item. Add item is for add a new item to the Seesaw journal. And the second, feed view. All of the students' updates will be listed in the main window in a chronological sequence. And the third one is calendar view. You will see a calendar on which the students' items are shown on each date. For example, if April 1st shows you the number 20, it means on April 1st there are 20 new items from the students, as well as the teachers themselves. And the fourth one is class blog. This blog is a public blog where other people who don't want Seesaw account can view the page, or you can set a password for it to protect your privacy. And the next one is unapproved items. When students upload their new items, you will see several approved items. You will see several unapproved items shown in your teacher's page. You should approve them to let other students view them, or no one will see them without your permission. Invite parents. Parents can join in your class and view their own child's works with your permission. Steps of this will be included in the later explanations. And we have add new class. As is mentioned above, you can always create a new class under your account, which will use QR codes to sign in or use the email addresses. Okay, now we need to learn how to create a new item. We can click Add Item by going to the class management, or you can just click this button. So what you see now is the same window when your students log in and add new items. As you can see, they have different choices to make. Photo allows you to take a picture with your webcam. Then you can add audio description, hand drawing, or a caption on the image. Video choice enables students to record a video or import video clip from their devices such as an iPad. The max time for the video clip is 5 minutes. Drawing is simply a drawing tool. Note can be applied to write sentences or keep diaries for your young kids. Upload file and the link can work with the products from other apps. Okay, now let's try to submit a new item, such as I'm going to add a drawing. And I'll use this like After you finish editing the item, please press the check mark button on the top right, and you will see the following window. Okay, I'll just click it. You will see this window asking you to choose the people. As the teacher, the best choice is to choose everyone, since with this choice, all of the students in your class can see your post as well as the parents. So I just click everyone and then press this. So after that, you are asked to create a new folder, which is actually optional. If your class is all about one subject, such as math, then you may not need to create a new folder. But if you have multiple subjects or you want to manage the items, it is suggested to create new folders, such as math and grammar. Then when students upload their items, they'll choose the folder they want their items to be posted. When you finish creating the folders and clicking the check mark button on top, like right now I'm not going to create a folder, so I'm just going to click this. And you'll see item uploaded. And this new item is posted in the home page. You can also go to calendar view by click here. And you can say today you got a new item here. Okay, the next step is students signing with email address. The steps are similar to the class, which requires students to sign in with their email address. The main difference will be they will have to create their accounts with their email address and passwords. The other big difference is that after the students sign in with their email accounts, the teachers should give them a class code obtaining from pressing Get Join code. I'll show you how to do that. Like I'll first click my thumbnail and go to create new class. So this time I will choose the second choice, which is use an email address or Google account. And I'll just click yes, I'll use class code. No. Okay, I should click yes. Do your students know their email address or Google accounts? So that's why I said this method is more appropriate for elder children. Such as 10. Okay, right now I'm in my elder children class, which is required students to sign in with their email address and password. So right now, here is a choice called Get Join Code. A student will use this code to join in this class. Okay, next I'll show you how to invite parents. Go to Class Management panel first by hitting your thumbnail on the top left corner. Then you need to choose Invite Parents. Then you should see this window. Click Yes, Enable Parent Access, and then you will need to choose Get Parent Handout or Send Parent Invite Email. We suggest you choose Get Parent Handout because Seesaw will take you to a PDF file where Seesaw creates several pages of QR code for each of the students in that class. You can then print them out and let students take them to their parents. Parents can download the Seesaw Parent Access app on their iPhones or Android mobile phones to join in the class. Note that they can only see the works of their own child instead of works of the whole class. The next item we're going to learn is class blog. Class blog is optional for teachers. So we go back to our Seesaw page. The aim of the class blog is to share students' works with other school teachers or the wide public. Note that even you create the class blog in Seesaw, you can set a password for it, thus protect the information. Also, each item should be first approved by you as the teacher, and then other people can see it. So we first go to Class Management panel and click Class Blog. And then click Set up a class blog now. And you can see this following window. You need to press Create Your Blog, and then you can customize the blog name as well as the blog URL. And it will check automatically whether you can use this email address and whether you use this URL address. Enable comments, password, protect class blog. So I will not use password for this blog and just click the check mark. So after you create your class blog, you should notice that there's a new button appears. Okay, we're going to Okay, so I'll just create a new item, like this is a and I'll publish it. So normally, if you don't have that class blog, you won't see this button. But since you already create a class blog for this class, then you will have this choice. I can click it and it will ask you like publish this item to the blog. And you can choose publish to blog, which means this item would be seen by the other people, even those people have no accounts in Seesaw. And also this is the same with the students. When students they want to upload their items to the class blog, they have this option, but as the teacher, you always have the choice to approve or unapprove their choices. These are the basic steps for your reference to use Seesaw with your students and their parents. Additional tutorial videos and other help resources are listed in the site. Be free to read them and get inspired.